Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Even if you are lifting heavy weights, you need some small ones in your gym too. So I want to show you these DX Grandway 5-pound bumper plates. So these are fraction or change plates and they come in a variety of sizes, and these things are awesome. So when you're trying to increase your strength over time, you're going to only add a little bit at a time. So these small plates are the perfect thing to have when you are working on those strength goals. So I love these because they are accurate 5-pound weights. They're steel plates, but rubber coated, which makes them really easy to handle. They have this nice soft coating. Also did not notice any unpleasant rubber smell or anything like that. So that is great as well. They slide on easily to a standard barbell and no problems with fit at all. Really appreciate the very clear markings so you know exactly which size weight you're grabbing, and they're also color coded, which is really nice too. So these are really durable, super high quality, and I think that they're a great addition to any home gym. So if you're looking to make those progressive gains in small and safe increments, then you definitely want to get these 5-pound weights from DX Grandway. If you want to add more weights to your gym, check out their whole collection and all of their sizes. I think you're going to love them as much as I do, and that's my point of view.